Hi, Jonas here with Casket Builder Supply. I'm here to show you today what we call our Universal Casket Hardware Kit. Now, if you're making a casket where you're going to have the lid that actually swings open and closed, it's a hinged lid. It has to be propped open, so it needs a support to hold it open. You're going to want latches to hold it closed. And you want some fancy hinges on it so that it's easy to remove the lid between your carpentry shop and if you're going to a finishing shop and upholstery shop. So you're going to want to be able to take that lid off easily so you can do those different steps. So we have, it is probably the most common product that folks come to our site to buy. It's a Universal Casket Hardware Kit, and I'll get into detail why it's universal. But you can get this kit if you're in a pinch and you're building a casket quickly. You're going to buy this kit because it'll have everything you need, even if you're not sure exactly what kind of casket you're making yet. So this kit will include two different styles of hinges. One's a edge mount, one's a flat mount. It depends. If the wall of your casket is 3/4 of an inch thick, like more of a simple pine box style, this will be adequate. If you're making it that's got a nice molding, you're going to want this style flat mount edge kit. You're going to have your top support kit, and it's got enough different components. No matter how you do it, you're going to have two of these left over. But no matter how you make your lid and how you want to fix the top support to the lid, you've got everything you need here. And then we've got a left hand and a right hand style latch assembly. So often you put a left hand latch on the head side and a right hand latch on the foot side. And everything that you need to get one casket out the door in one universal kit.